How to remove YouTube Shorts. Welcome to another YouTube tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to remove YouTube Shorts video easily. If this video helps you, please consider giving it a like and also subscribing to my channel. The first thing we need to do is open up the YouTube app on our iPhone or Android phone and select the profile icon in the bottom right of the app. Once you get to your profile, select the option Your Videos. Once you get to your videos, and then select Shorts. Then select the video that you want to delete. I want to delete this video here. And in order to delete it, you want to press 3 dots. If you go ahead and click those, it will give you this page. Here you will see that delete option. Go ahead and press, but then press confirm, and the video has been deleted. So now if I go back to my profile, that video will be permanently deleted. So that's all you have to do in order to delete a video on YouTube. If you have any questions about this, leave a comment below. Get back to you as soon as I can. If this video helps you, give it a thumbs up, and please consider subscribing to my channel. Thank you so much for watching.